Hey, hello all. My name is Subhash. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the session 2. So here mostly I will cover it like a filter commands and all. And these filter commands, the commands will need to be used in the scripting. So let's create new files. So I just created the new file here, and as part of this I will cover it wc command. Okay, so this command will use and it will tell like in the file. So how many lines are there and how many words are there in the file and how many characters are there in the file. So let's go, we'll create one file and see how it will work. So I'm in the terminal now. So I'm going to create one file, like test one file, I'm going to create it. So I want to write something here. So what I want to write here is I want to learn shell scripting. Even I want to learn Python scripting too. I want to watch good English movies to improve my communication skills. If we see in this file, I have written like 3 lines, right? Let's go now check. So I'm saving the file here. I'm using wc command and just test one. So I'm giving a file name here. If we see here, the output it is printed here is, see, if we see here, the three tells that it's a 3 lines. So inside the files, 26 words are there in the file, 145 so characters are there in the file. So let's see. So how we will fetch the each so details. Now I want to see how many lines are there, right? So just execute wc-l and test one. Even it will tell, see, it's a 3 lines having this file, right? So you can see how many words are there in the file, like test one, it will tell how many words are there. If you see here, it's a 26 and words are 26. W is nothing but just a words. WC hyphen characters, I want to see how many characters are there. So 145 characters are there here. So in this file, I'm opening one more time in this file. If we see, these the 3 lines I have having, and if we count each character it will be 145, and the words, so I don't know how many it is given me, around 26 words. Let's say in this file, like if we add empty line also it will so count it, like I'm just adding one more line here. So just see like test one. So we can say it's a 4 line, even though there is no new, just it having only empty line. The empty line also it is calculated, and even you can see how many character means 146 characters. It is increased. Okay, now you want to so a line and words, you want to fetch the details, right? Just give like hyphen L and hyphen W, and so what it will do is it will print the line and how many words are there. The likewise, you can give so lines and characters as well. So you can see it's four lines and 145 characters. Likewise, you can give the words and the character as well. So it's a 26 words you are having 146 characters the file having it. So even you can print like you can even you can try like what else we can try? Already you printed. Let's try everything. Maybe if we giving everything also it will print, right? Without giving this option, if we just give WC and uh, so how many lines are there, how many characters are there, and how many words are there in that file, it will basically it will give output. Today just I want to share this one WC command so that this will be even useful in the scripting. We are in the future in the script we are going to use so uh, this WC command.